Hey guys, this is a really cool way that you can earn money by sending junk mail. That's junk mail that you do not want. Um, I have been researching a lot about this company over the past night or two, and just getting some more information about this company, and just trying to figure out if this is legit. And it is legit, and I feel safe within, sharing this with you guys. The name of the company is Small Business Knowledge Center. They do consumer research on different um, emails and mail in order to find out the best way to target customers. So they want your junk mail, basically your junk email. So right now, if I go to my junk email, is a lot, and I do mean a lot. I have about 1,027 in junk emails. So in order to sign up with this website. Also, they do regular mail. So if you're in another country, I don't know how it works. I know they're available in Canada. In Canada, it takes a little bit longer to get approved. The approval rating is really good. They're going to send you around. They're going to send you a welcome package, a welcome kit, through email and through mail. So if you're in the US, you're going to get a mail package. I don't know what they get in Canada, but basically for your emails, you basically just going to forward them to SBKC. So you're just going to forward them to SBKC. This is a good way you can earn some really good money. If I go over here, I've seen somebody else giving some reviews and just trying to find out what's going on. It says I've been doing it for several months now and typically get around $40 a month. I find it pretty easy. I just toss my snail mail in prepaid envelopes. So this is the welcome package that I'm going to be receiving. If I go to my email, it's going to say thank you for your interest to join the panel. Okay, so to contact email, make sure you don't get into the spam folder. Due to a large individuals interested in the panel, your application has been going to a waiting list. We appreciate your review and we will find spots for everyone. We will notify when space is available. If you not qualify, if you do not qualify at this time in the intern, please feel free to ask questions. So it is sort of a waiting list to get on because a lot of people have been getting into it. So I just want to get it out to you guys so you guys can go ahead and put in your application so you can be on that waiting list and get in as well. So I have no problem. I'm probably going to get in because I have a whole lot of junk email and a whole lot of information. So I'm just waiting for the approval letter. So whenever that comes, I'll do a video to update it. But he says he's been doing it. He's beginning to typically around $40 a month. And this is 3 years ago. So now with email is getting more and more relevant and a lot of junk mail coming to your email account. I believe that this can really be a big player and you earning maybe like extra $100 to $200 a month. Now, I'm not saying that you can do this with this. I don't know how much they're paying right now, but if they're still paying at the rate that he's saying, you can definitely increase that. If you definitely have junk mail, and I do have a whole lot of junk mail. I throw mail away a lot, so I can just send this. So all of your information is safe. Matter of fact, by law in the United States, companies cannot send um, your information like your social security and stuff like this. So things of that nature, they're not going to be able to see because by law they can't send that over email and other information like that. So basically, these are all of the categories that they're accepting. They're accepting emails and mail from. I get around 30 to 40 messages like this a day from different people, from different food places. I mean, it's so much that I can just directly just forward to them and get paid for. I'm very excited to join this. So like I said, you will be compensated for direct mail. You suck compensated for email. They say around $20 in points every 10 weeks. It depends on how much you do. Business and owners and those who are self-employed earn rewards even faster. So if you're self-employed, which you should be, if you're doing internet marketing, you can definitely do this. You can start earning months to get valuable gift cards. I mean, there's other stuff you can do. You must be 18 or older to participate, and this is a really legit company. Here goes their email, their phone number, all that good information on there. So this is not some type of fake website. This is a website that a lot of people do not know about. You can get paid for basically sending your emails. Really simple. I hope you guys check this out. I really didn't want to reveal this, but I'm just so happy to find new ways to make money online. I revealed it to you guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, if you're going to sign up, comment below. Any questions you have, comment them below. I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Go out there and make some money online.